What if you could build custom Shopify section without writing a single line of code? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create fully editable professional Shopify theme section using your cursor. No coding skill needed. If you have ever wanted custom design without touching liquid, this is the video for you. So I would like to make this section in my store. Right now I don't have this section. I need I'm watching the changes for my theme, and whenever I make the changes they will be pushed live. So I paste the image here. I would like to make a dynamic section like attached screenshot. Can you please make new dynamic section for me? And I have given command to cursor and it is searching for the files. Yes, please go ahead. So it is creating a new file test. Okay, now I can open this file. You can see this is the testimonial file and it is created all the HTML and CSS, and you can see that if I go here in the theme and reload the customizer to add a new section of the testimonial, so I'll go and add a new testimonial section. You can see over here testimonial, this one, and you can see we have new testimonial section and you can add the testimonial from here and you can upload the avatar from here. You can select the existing image or you can upload the new one, and this image will be displayed over here. If I save that and reload the page, go to the home page, and you will see this testimonial section over here. Now can you please put that into the middle? So right now it is going to the left side and now it is making changes in my file, and once the changes is done you will see this section will be moved in the middle. And this is fully dynamic. You can add the right over here you can add the customer name, like my name is Shahid, and it will be instantly in the title of the review and the number and the testimonial body. You can change that, and if you reload this page now you can see we have this testimonial in the middle, and I can say let's put that into the container, and max width should be not more than 1500 pixel. So now I'm adding the container outside so it will stay inside the container. Let me check what is the right container width of the above section. This is almost 1440 pixel. So let's see what cursor does. And if I reload this page, and now you can see we are inside the cursor. Our cursor inside the container. Our container is a little bigger because the current container. Can you please make it in 40 pixel, please? Okay, so this is how you can add the new section. Meanwhile, while it is adding this section, making the adjustment, let's try to add another one. Okay, so let's say we need this section. So I will grab this section over here from here, copy that, and yes, keep that. Please create a new section over here, like the attached image, and please use any dummy images for the placeholder. I will replace them by uploading from customizer. So now it is creating a new section. Meanwhile, we can check that our container is looking good now. So now you can see our container is looking good. It is exactly the above section. And if you would like to add any animation like this, we can add the animation as well. Like whenever we hover on this section, this should be pop up like this. So it is creating the feature card. So meanwhile, we can add the data over here. We can put the testimonial title. We can change the second one, let's say Asad Ali, and great video. I am loving this, and he's making great videos. Thank you for that. So I can save this, and if I go back to the cursor, keep that, and it is created a new featured card file. And if I go here and add a new section, featured, what is the name of that file? Let me go that, and that is featured card. Yes, I have to reload this first, so then I will be able to see the new section over here and add section. And now you can see we have featured card. If I click on this, and new featured card will be added. You can see similarly we have a section like in the reference side. So let's try to add the images over here. Featured card, select image. Let me add this image over here, and this image over here. Select the image, this one, select image, this one, and the fourth one over here. Okay, you may select the fourth one like this and save that. And if I reload, you will see a new section over here, our featured section. And if you click on this plus button, there should be something like this. So I can copy this and go back here. Okay, when I click on the plus sign, it should pop up on the above side and show the text. Also in the testimonial section, can you add animation? When I hover on the cards, they should pop up. So now I'm making two changes in these two files, one in featured card and another one is on the testimonial section. If I reload this and let me finish the cursor changes, and then we will see our changes. Done changes on the both sides and the both files. No error found, and we can keep all the changes. And if I reload this page again and hover, yeah, you can see it has added the animation. When we hover on the cards, we can see the animation. Let's try. Okay, now you can see we have, when you click on here, we see the pop-up button like this, and we can ask him to make exactly like that, and it will make exactly like that, no problem. And we have our animation over here as well, and you can make as many sections as you need without writing single line of code. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Please also subscribe to my channel. I'm working really hard. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.